Think a backyard weed can help your lungs. It can. And the science backs it up. This is plantain, not the banana, the herb, and it's been used for centuries to support people with chronic bronchitis. It's what we call a demulcent, rich in jelly-like compounds that coat and soothe irritated lungs and throats. If you've got a dry, nagging cough, this little leaf can help calm things down. Plantain is also anti-inflammatory, and studies out of Bulgaria even found it helped people with bronchitis breathe easier. And it's not alone. Mullein, marshmallow root, and slippery elm are other demulcents that love your lungs too. So next time your lungs need a little love, plantain might be just what you need.